What if I told you the secret to huge plant growth isn't chemical fertilizer, but something forgotten in your closet? Yes, old clothes. And when you pair them with banana peels, the results in your garden are unbelievable. Let's see how this unusual combo works. Natural clothes like cotton, linen, and wool are biodegradable. As they break down in the soil, they release carbon and organic matter, which feeds microbes and improves soil structure. Now add banana peels. They're rich in potassium and phosphorus, perfect for strong roots and vibrant flowers. Together, clothes provide long-term carbon, while banana peels give plants a quick nutrient boost. It's like a balanced diet for your soil. How to use them? Cut old cotton or wool clothes into small pieces so they decompose faster. Chop banana peels into tiny bits too. Dig a hole about 6 to 8 inches deep near your plants. First, place a layer of the clothes. Then add the banana peel pieces on top and cover it all with soil. Over time, the clothes break down slowly, while the peels release nutrients quickly, creating a perfect cycle of plant food.